my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sélah. If you are not, then welcome back. Please consider subscribing if you are not already subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my channel. Please, if you like this video as well, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot to know if you guys are liking these types of videos and if I should do more and things like that. But anyways, so today I have kind of like a cooking video for you guys. So if you've been following along, I have been like trying out the whole vegan and vegetarian type of diet, I guess you could say. So I've been trying to eat a lot healthier and just like finding different recipes that work for me and that like taste really good. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my vegan chocolate chip cookies. Honestly, you guys, these are better than like actual chocolate chip cookies. I'm not just saying that. They are amazing. They're so good. They are vegan, like I said, so they're really healthy. Well, I wouldn't say really healthy for you guys, but they're healthier than normal chocolate chip cookies. So if you just want to indulge and you're craving something sweet or chocolate, please try these. You will love them. I will link all of the measurements and everything down below in the description box. I have kind of taken some of this from Pinterest, but I've also made it my own, so I like to call it my recipe because, like I said, I did make it my own. But anyways, I'm just going to shut up and we're going to get into the video and I will show you guys how to make my famous vegan chocolate chip cookies, and I hope you enjoy. So to begin, you're going to need some semi-sweet chocolate chips, coconut oil, sea salt, vanilla, light brown sugar, baking soda, flour, almond milk, and unsweetened applesauce. First, you're going to take a half a cup of coconut oil and make sure it's solid, and then place that into a bowl. Then, in the same bowl, you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I accidentally spilled and added a little more than I should have, as you can see, but oh well, it didn't matter. As long as you're around these same measurements, you'll be good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm just going to whisk that all together. Now add in 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce and 1/4 cup of almond milk and whisk that together. Now in a second separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 1/4 cups of flour. Be careful with the flour as it's super messy, as you can see. Now for the salt, I kind of just eyeballed it to around 1 teaspoon. Then once that's done, I'm just going to add all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix that together with a spatula. Now for the yummy part, I add in a whole entire bag of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you can add as many as you want, but I just like to do the whole bag because I personally can't get enough of the chocolate chips. Then you're just going to pack the dough into about this size balls and place them on a baking sheet aligned with parchment paper. You're going to want to set the oven to 375 degrees and only bake them for 9 minutes. I promise it's going to seem like they're not completely cooked, but they will continue cooking, and that's what's going to give them that doughy, yummy texture. And I just like to add some extra chocolate chips on top while they're still cooking. It's going to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie. So good.